I was a bouncing 9-pound baby girl, and I have been heavy most of my life. Denial about my weight has been so much a part of my life. I denied to myself that I was fat for a long time. Denied that it was affecting my health. And this was in the face of being on 2 medicines for blood pressure, 2 medicines for cholesterol. I had been diagnosed with metabolic syndrome, which is a pre-diabetic condition. I had sleep apnea. But finally, I had to stop denying that I was affecting my health. I went on vacation with my mother and my 2 sisters, and we were going to a balloon festival in a park. And it was in the evening, and we were going to watch the balloons launch at night. Climbing up this steep hill to get to where the balloons were going to launch, I thought I was going to have a heart attack and die at my mother's feet. It was going to be absolutely awful for my mother to watch me die. I mean, it's not a fun thing to think that you're going to fall down dead. I've lost 103 pounds in 10 months, and it changed my life. When I was going up that hill to go to the Balloon Fest and thought I was going to die and realized that I hadn't had a heart attack, I knew I had to make a life change and change my life for the better so that I could live to retirement, so that I could live for my grandchildren. And I decided that day, absolutely, I was going to have weight loss surgery with Dr. Nick. I chose Dr. Nick to be my surgeon because I thought he was the best surgeon to do the procedure that I wanted done. When I think of Dr. Nick, the word that comes to mind first is trust. I absolutely trust him. When Dr. Nick and I were talking about what weight loss surgery to select, I didn't have any feeling of pressure that he was trying to lead me in one way or the other. And he was very patient, wasn't surprised by anything that I asked, didn't have any problems answering any of the questions that I asked. He was giving me pros and cons about the different surgeries and helped me make the decision, and was very supportive of my decision once I decided I wanted the sleep. I worked with a delightful woman in Dr. Nick's office who guided me in jumping through all of the hoops that I had to jump through to get the insurance to pay for the surgery. It was wonderful. And in December of that year, right before New Year's, I got the approval from the insurance company that I had been approved for weight loss surgery. So in January of 2011, I scheduled an appointment with Dr. Nick, stepped on the scales, registered my weight at 253 pounds, and scheduled my surgery for February 22nd. I went from a size 26 women's to a size 10 petite. That's what weight loss surgery will do for you. Gives you your life back. I feel so much more comfortable just doing everything. Going to work in the morning, being out at the lake and doing things with my husband at the lake, going out on the boat, playing with my grandchildren. I like to go antiquing and climbing around flea markets and antique stores, and I've even taken up Zumba. No blood pressure problems. I was on 2 meds before. No cholesterol problems. I was on 2 medications before. No sleep apnea. No metabolic syndrome. No diagnosis of obesity. Dr. Nick made me feel like I was very much in good hands.